Hello guys, so welcome to the another video of the Carpool Gangers, and it's been very long time we haven't seen each other on the Insta or YouTube. So what today agenda is like we are going to watch Loka in Malayalam. So I have with me Manu.
Hi.
And then Sriraj. So he knows Malayalam and he also knows bit Malayalam and Kannada. But I am the person who only knows Hindi and English. And I'm not sure कि अभी movie में subtitles आएगा या नहीं आएगा. And one more person is there with us, Sabit. So he is waiting to the next Rupen Agrahara metro station. So we are going there. We will receive him. And then we'll move further towards the screen. Our show is at 10, and we were thinking it's from 10:10. So we are already delayed, and we are delayed by 10 more minutes because we were thinking it's from the 10:10. Oh Baba. Oh भाई लाइट देने का ना. अरे फिर भी कुछ तो वो
he shouldn't overtake.
हाँ
He shouldn't overtake like that.
yeah. Okay guys, so we have reached इधर Rupen Agrahara near metro station and we are looking for the Sabit. कहाँ पे है Sabit? Guys, so say this fucker is coming. Oh god.
This one, Lakshmi?
Yeah, Lakshmi Theatre, Tavarekara main road.
Oh. So yes, Sabit is here and now we'll start the journey again. Okay. Say hi Sabit to our followers. Yes. So we are starting. Song is not there. अभी रेडियो में ऐड आ रहा है and some we are now entering in more traffic zone area near Silk Boat.
Showing flyover or left?
Left. जब भी whenever we are traveling towards any places, but in nights song comes very very good songs. क्या मिला तू जुदा होकर ना खबर अपनी रही तेरा पता So abhi if you guys see time is 9:49, 12 minutes, 2.5 kilometer. So we are kind of in time, but अभी देखते हैं कब पहुँचेंगे. Then we'll have to park the vehicle, फिर हॉल में जाना, सीट खोजना. मे बी ऐसा ना हो कि 5 मिनट 10 मिनट छूट जाए आगे का. Siraj, last time you are going for the second time, right? And last time I think you didn't watch full, starting 2-3 minutes. Yes, so one more task is there, we should not miss this time again that 2-3 minutes. But yeah, we are trying hard, but what we can do. Yes, traffic is there. Bangalore is known for traffic. You visited Delhi also, right? What did you feel, Sriraj? Delhi traffic is more or Bangalore traffic is more?
It's the difference, I think, is just that there I felt for some reason things keep moving. I mean, here also now it is moving.
Yeah.
But here, the gridlocks, I felt it is less there. But
Because when I was in college time in Bangalore, I felt that there is no traffic because this COVID period was there, so most of the person were in their home, they were doing work from home. And after that, when I went to Delhi, so it was there I saw so much traffic. And when I used to discuss these things with the person who earlier they were in Bangalore, they used to say that Bangalore traffic is more in comparison to Delhi traffic. But now I feel, oh god, it's kind of same only. Everywhere people are getting stuck. But in Bangalore, traffic is very reasonable. Some problem is there, then only you are getting stuck. But in Delhi, people are stucking more because of कि मैं नहीं हटूंगा, ये मेरा रोड है, मेरे चाचा विधायक हैं. हाँ, so these things are more in Delhi traffic.
Here, I think the main problem is exactly at junctions and all roads are a bit
Narrow.
like narrow or potholes are there. I think if that is cleared, then movement will be much more faster. I think that itself will clear a lot of things. But yeah, in the next month
Big
we'll see a lot of pothole clearings.
Oh,
So let's see.
okay. And I feel like in radio, like we were hearing some news regarding the Bangalore got some like budget for, I think, clearing this water system or something like
That is a different thing. That some award, something like that.
award.
The recent one is
No, to like maintain drainage system or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
very less amount.
I feel like when it's raining, then also traffic increases so much in the Bangalore. So that thing is there. Like there is a budget like which Bangalore government has gotten to maintain the like drainage system. But let's see like how they will maintain and what things are there, because that money is good enough
Oh, it is showing some
to do
right
that.
here.
We have to take a right.
So we are reaching, but again it's like 1.6 kilometer, 9 minutes is the timing, and timing is showing it's 10:02, and we are supposed to reach there by 10 because movie is starting from that 10. Let's see.
It's a race against time.
Yeah, it's a race against time. Everywhere, whatever you do, whenever you do, time is very important. I feel like everything is in respect of the time only.
Time is money.
Time is money. Yes. Sabit is now free, I think. He was on the
I
call.
was little bit busy.
Yeah.
Now I'm free.
Say Sabit, like it's been very long time, right? We didn't went like live on the Insta, or we didn't uploaded any other full video on YouTube.
Yes.
So what do you have to say something like to our follower at this point?
we were
Yeah.
not live for a very long time, and we are back. So keep watching. There will be more interesting contents coming with Sushil and Sriraj.
And I think 3-4 months back, I think we had done one promise with our follower. To our follower, we'll release one video about Parental Manna, that waterfall, Parental Palli waterfall.
Yeah,
So
that is there. But actually, what I felt like there is not much content in that
Ah.
to release to the
Have you seen
subscribers.
that? We should go there again.
I don't think
We
so. Like,
should,
we can recommend the place, but
we can recommend, but उसके पहले वीडियो आना जरूरी है. Like अभी this channel is very new and we have follower like very limited, and those follower like know us personally. तो अभी from that follower some people what they say like गाली देते हैं कि वो वीडियो बोला था आएगा अभी तक वीडियो नहीं आया. So
that is
maybe you are not getting that thing, but yeah.
So we were very busy with the jobs and some other things. So I think due to the high demand, we are forced to do that.
We have
Behalf of our
Actually,
fellow
we can't reveal the name of the company where are we working.
Yeah.
And so, but it's like very busy 6 days work, and again if it's required, then again we are working more than 6 days
So, see,
or
that's bad luck.
maybe 7 days or something.
I think they want
And
you
again,
to
see,
miss
guys.
the first part.
Here again we are running out of time, and again red light.
You can actually walk. I mean, it will be faster, I guess.
It's 1.3 kilometer, 8 minutes. Now the reaching time is 10:04. Yes, so we are racing with the time, and again some traffic. 2-3 peoples. They feels like that road is there only, man.
Some walk, I think.
തോന്നുന്നില്ല.
Come on. Last. Orange is near the theatre.
നമ്മൾക്ക് operate videos ആണ്. All our videos.
Yes guys, तो हम पहुंच गए हैं. Like, we are in between, like कहीं रोड गली में ही घुसे हुए हैं. इसके आसपास ही है, like 450 meters.
450 meters.
Yes, 450 meters.
10:51 ഞാൻ ഇറങ്ങി ഓടിയാലോ.
10:05.
अभी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि हम बैंगलोर में हैं. ये लग रहा है कहीं और ही आ गए हैं. मेरा मन यूं तो मेरा मन. Sabit, back side one shop was there. They are making the custom seat for the bikes.
Okay, gel seat मिलेगा उधर?
Gel seat you can check.
Okay.
Don't think gel seat will be there, but some customization will be there. Good customization. Forever Star City.
This orange.
I think all of them are going to theater.
Oh, I think this jam is for the theater only. Can you hear it?
इट्स नाइट तो कितने अच्छे अच्छे गाने आ रहे हैं.
No, this is from Spotify.
ओ यही तो नहीं रिवील करना था. ठीक है गाइस, बट नॉर्मली आई हैव द एक्सपीरियंस कि नाइट में अच्छे गाने आते हैं.
Yeah,
Yes,
radio
yes,
will-
yes.
The songs will be good in night.
Because night का mood is like that only, like slow, सुकून भरा, peaceful.
Someone has to get down and clear. Sabit, can you take the charge?
I think Sriraj already took the charge.
What if I park here?
He's guy. तालों को बर्तन वाले कोई ना
City, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗು.
अभी ऐसे इसके लिए भी 360 कैमरा होना चाहिए कि लाइक व्हेन आई एम सेइंग समथिंग मैं खुद को रिकॉर्ड करूं, उधर का भी रिकॉर्ड हो. लेटर वी कैन एडिट एंड इंटरचेंज
Picture mode will be there in your phone.
पिक्चर इन पिक्चर. दैट
Both
बट
cameras
विल
together
इट
in
वर्क इन द इसमें लाइक इन वीडियो.
Yeah, I think it will.
I'll have to see, I'll have to explore that setting.
This 250 meters is taking time.
So we have reached and we are in the parking space. It's a open parking. We'll park the vehicle and then we'll go. We are I think late by 6 minutes. Okay, so bye bye till now, and then we'll see, we'll give the review and then we'll check. We'll make the like further video.
ജീവനോടുണ്ടല്ലേ
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है हमारे अलावा. पूरा थिएटर
നിനക്കൊരു മാറ്റമില്ലല്ലോ പെണ്ണേ
पूरा
താരങ്ങൾ വയസ്സനെ